Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if your iPhone apps keeps crashing after iOS 18 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if apps are crashing, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the setting first. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down and make sure that you're not connected with any of the VPN. Now tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown, and just simply have to power off your device. And after that guys, turn it on again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go back from here. Now after that guys, open the settings. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now tap on general again, and from here guys you have to tap on iPhone storage. So guys, if the specific app is crashing, just simply have to open that app. Like if Facebook app is crashing, just simply have to open it and just simply have to offload that app and then reinstall it. And after that guys, you can easily fix your issue. If it's still not working and all the apps are crashing guys, just simply have to scroll it down a bit. So let me tap on the general and let me scroll it down, and you can easily find a transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Just simply have to reset your network setting, and after resetting the network setting guys, what you have to do is just simply have to restart your device. Now after restarting your device will be refreshed and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.